Been with BD 25 years. Been at this location for the past 8 years. Been in 3 different locations throughout my time with BD. You know, the area sector partnership, I was first exposed to the concept probably about 3 years ago. And when we first talked about it, I thought, you know, that makes a lot of sense. Rather than having public partners come and approach a business or an employer, with their different agencies, anywhere from a half dozen to a dozen agencies saying, hey, I've got your next best program. Here's how you're going to find your worker. The whole concept behind the area sector partnership, and one of the reasons why I like it is business leaders, the employers get together and they help set the agenda. And so for us here with BD, one of the really important things that we're looking to do is to find those technical associates, those ones who have technology that understand about computers and robotics and the mechanical computer interface. That's what we need in our business to really propel our business and our manufacturing organization forward. And so for us, that's high on our agenda. And as we formed the area sector partnership for manufacturing in central Nebraska, we found that we're not alone, that those needs are quite common with a lot of other manufacturers in the area. And so the sector partnership gave us an opportunity as an employer to really step forward and say, hey, we've got this need, you've got this need, let's go to education, or let's go to this agency, let's create the programs that will help meet those needs so we can accomplish what we're trying to do. Rather than having the programs pitched to the businesses are now saying, hey, we've got this need, please come and provide this service to us. So in terms of my vision of what the sector partnership can provide, I first jokingly told Lindsay Woolsey and her associates it's kind of like our maniacal plan for world domination, but it's really not. What it is, and my vision is that we create opportunities, especially for young individuals coming out of high school and maybe in the first couple years of their career, creating opportunities for those folks to really have a successful career and to be able to stay here in Nebraska and to raise their families and have opportunities. Now, on the selfish side of things, for me as an employer, I need those people. Our technology and our demands for having that kind of a workforce is only increasing, and so I need those kind of individuals to be here. But so do our other manufacturing partners that are in another business across the rails over here in Holdridge or in Kearney or Grand Island. We all have that need, and so my vision is we create more of those kind of individuals that can have great paying jobs, great careers, and stay here in Nebraska, and we keep them right here. Or we even encourage folks from other states to come here because of the great opportunities and the great abilities they have to live in a great state, but also have a great career, work for companies that are really making an impact across the world. And so, I'd really encourage any business that's in the area that has some sort of manufacturing or tied to it. And really, that's pretty broad. That could be someone anywhere from a meat packing plant to someone like we are that's actually producing pretty high-tech medical devices. But I'd encourage you to be part of the partnership, because you're going to benefit from it. Just the associations and the sharing of knowledge, the benchmarking, and then we working together and throwing our time and resources behind making the partnership something that's going to benefit us all. So really, it's well worth our time. And we've got some pretty busy people, pretty dedicated people, pretty important people at the partnership. And the reason why they're giving their time and volunteering to help drive these initiatives that we've developed is because they see the value coming out of it, and I do too. And so I just encourage folks to jump on the wagon. They won't be sad that they did.